Time is your most valuable currency. We all want to be more productive and more efficient so that we can get more of the right things done. One of the first questions we get is, why 7 minutes? And in this video, I want to explain how you can skyrocket your personal efficiency by taking just 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening to be intentional about how you plan your day. So let's start by looking at why 7 minutes. This is where it comes from. There are 24 hours in a day. Those 24 hours break down into 1,440 minutes. We look at our day and we think, what would happen if we just took 1% of our time, 14 minutes? 1% of our time, 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening. And in the morning, you would slow down long enough to think about what you really wanted to accomplish. And then the evening, you'd take 7 minutes to reflect. Every single thing you let come into your day is automatically knocking something else out. When it comes to time management, we want to manage our time because it's important to let the right things into our life, make commitments to accomplish those things so that we can live a life with more meaning. As you go through this process of getting involved with the 7-minute life, we're going to teach you how to leverage 1% of your day. And there's some skill sets that you need to begin to grasp and understand. We're going to think about, what do you really want to do on any given day, to clarify, to create a vision, a North Star of what it is that you want to accomplish and why it's important. And using our tools, we're going to help you create a plan, a strategy, not just a long-term strategy, but how are you going to live your life today? You're going to learn how to prioritize the task on your to-do list, and that final step is choosing to get them done. There are a lot of us that can create a to-do list, but there's that point where we have to just make a decision to put our heads down and get these things done. What does that look like? How are you going to spend your 7 minutes? In the morning, these are the steps that I want you to go through. You're going to take a breath and you're going to think about how you feel today. Create a sense of awareness. And you're going to ask yourself, what is my goal for today? If I could only get a few things done, what would those few things be? You're going to think about what projects you have in progress and what do you need to put on your to-do list. Creating that to-do list is the most important thing you can do. And how do you prioritize your tasks? What order do you put them in? And then how long will they take to complete? And the secret sauce is the 5 before 11 list. In the evening, you want to take 7 minutes to go through these steps, to take an internal reflection of how do you feel, kind of that gut check. Did today matter? Going back and doing a task evaluation, saying, did I focus on high-value tasks or low-value tasks? What were your observations about today? What obstacles did you face? And then taking that minute to say, this is what I'm most grateful for. And in the evening, I like to stop and think, what did I learn today? What was that one thing that made my life richer or more important? And then I begin to think about tomorrow. So there are 2 steps to this. There are 24 hours in a day. That breaks down into 1,440 minutes. We want to help you learn how to take 1% of your time, 14 minutes, 7 minutes in the morning to walk through this morning routine, and 7 minutes in the evening to go through the evening routine. I believe when we begin to master these steps, it's going to make a difference in our lives. Being intentional is the very first step of being productive. So I'm delighted that you're here. I'm glad that you're finding out what the 7-minute life is. Please go and look at the 7minutelife.com. Find out all of the ways that we can help you not just be more productive, but learn how to create a life with more meaning. If you found this helpful, I hope you'll like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and stay involved. I'll see you in the next video.